In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Canva. Zooming in might seem like a small thing, but it makes a huge difference when you're designing. It helps you line up elements precisely, check small details like icons or text, and make sure everything looks clean and professional. So let's walk through how to do it in a simple, clear way. Once you have your design open in Canva, take a look toward the bottom of the screen. Along the lower edge of the editor, you will see a control bar that includes the zoom options. There will usually be a number showing your current zoom level, like 50%, 75%, or 100%. Right next to that, you'll see a small horizontal bar with a circle or handle on it. This is your zoom slider. To zoom in, move your mouse down to that zoom area at the bottom of the page. Position your cursor over the circle or handle on the slider. Then click and hold your mouse button. While holding it down, slowly drag the handle toward the right side of the screen. As you drag it to the right, your canvas will zoom in, letting you see your design in more detail. You'll notice the percentage number changing as you drag. The higher the percentage, the closer you're zoomed in. For example, if you move from 100% to 200%, everything on the design will appear much larger, which is great for checking small fonts or aligning objects precisely. If you find that you've zoomed in too much, you can simply drag the slider back to the left to zoom out again. This gives you a wider view of your entire design, which is helpful when you want to see how all the elements work together on the page. As you practice, try zooming in when you're placing text near the edge, adjusting spacing between elements, or working with icons and logos. Then zoom back out to make sure the overall layout still looks balanced. That's all there is to it. Click on the zoom control at the bottom of the page, drag the line on the slider to the right to zoom in, and adjust until you reach the level that feels comfortable for your work. With this simple zoom tool, you'll have much more control and precision over every detail of your Canva designs.